Hey guys, welcome again to my channel Technologies 24 by 7. Guys, recently I have updated my system to Windows 10 1903 official version. Here you can see Microsoft Windows version 1903, OS build 18362, and its code name is 19H1. So guys, in this video I'm going to share my experience about Windows 10 1903, and I will also give you basic overview of Windows 10 1903. In my previous video, I told you that how to download Windows 10 1903 full version. So guys, before starting, I request you to please subscribe to my channel. Support us by subscribing. Then I will be very thankful to you. So guys, let's start. First of all, I will tell you that when I updated my system from Windows 10 1809 to Windows 10 1903 or 19H1, it does not affected my data and my applications and my customized settings on my applications. Even it does not affected my web browser history, cache, cookies, etc, etc. But still I will suggest you that take backup of your important data before updating your system. So guys, when I updated my PC to Windows 10 1903, in this latest Microsoft Windows, they did not edit so many apps and features, but they really improved existing features. Especially Windows security is now more secure. You don't need to pay any more for antiviruses softwares because Windows Defender is best for security purposes. So guys, now we are going to discuss that what's new in Windows 10 1903. Now I'm going to give basic overview of Windows 10 1903. In Windows 10 1903, I found five interesting things I will show you. First one thing I found interesting in Windows 10 1903 is graphical user interface. In Windows 10 1903, Microsoft has changed their theme and they made more attractive than before. Second thing I found interesting is more personalization settings and options. Now I will show you. Go to personalize. Here you can see background, colors. By default it's custom. You can select your default Windows mode, light, dark, as you want. Choose your default app mode, light, dark, and accent colors, and so on. Then lock screen. Here you can set your pictures at lock screen. I was talking about especially about themes. In themes, Windows has introduced Windows Lite theme version which consume less resources at the backend. So I will suggest you to set this Windows Lite theme, then it will consume less resources at the backend. Here you can see it's Windows Lite. After that, you can see start personalization, show more title on start, show app list in start, show recently added apps, show suggestions, and so on. And in the last, there is taskbar. Here you can see in the taskbar, you can see lock the taskbar, automatically hide the taskbar in desktop mode, automatically hide the taskbar in tablet mode, use small taskbar buttons, and so on. Third one thing I found interesting in Windows 10 1903 is that now we can uninstall Microsoft built-in apps. I will show you. Here you can see we can uninstall Microsoft built-in apps. Here you can see uninstall. Here you can see uninstall. So guys, the third one thing was now we can uninstall Microsoft built-in apps. So guys, fourth thing I found interesting in Windows 10 1903 is Windows update settings, where we can stop, pause Windows updates for 7 days. I will show you. Here you can see now we can pause Windows updates for 7 days, change active hours, and so on. And it will not disturb you again and again to update your system. You can pause or stop Windows updates for a week, for 7 days. So guys, fifth thing I found interesting in Windows 10 1903 is storage management. I will show you. Go to start. I have storage settings, and you can see storage settings. Turn on storage sense, then you will get better result. As you can see, this is my C partition of 150 GB, and here you can see that what things are consuming your hard disk space. As you can see, other people's are consuming 35.7 GB, absent features 15.2 GB, and other things occupying 11.4 GB, and temporary files also, and so on. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I will request you again that please subscribe to my channel, then I will be very thankful to you. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.